Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be walking you through the full process of how to get tax-exempt status on Alibaba for your wholesale purchases. This will save you a lot of money, so make sure to follow along. Wholesalers and resellers are exempt from paying sales tax when buying goods intended for resale. This exemption exists because sales tax is meant to be paid by the end consumer of a product, not by businesses acquiring goods to sell to customers. Getting tax-exempt status on Alibaba can provide big savings on your wholesale orders. Depending on your state's tax rates, you could potentially save 8 to 10% on every order. This adds up fast, especially if you're purchasing large volumes from suppliers. Tax-exempt status is definitely worth looking into if you purchase inventory from Alibaba regularly. To qualify for tax-exempt status on Alibaba, your business needs to have a valid tax ID number, also known as an EIN or federal ID. This is easy to obtain, just apply online with the IRS for free. Getting set up is simple. Go to Alibaba.com and register for an account. Make sure to choose a business account when signing up. Navigate to the My Account section and choose Tax Information. According to your business area, click the Add Tax Exemption button. You have to accept the Alibaba Tax Exemption Program's terms and conditions before proceeding. Then select the state you want to register for tax exemption and also the tax exemption type. I am a wholesaler, so I choose resale. On the next page, you have to fill out information about your business, such as your business name, category, address, and authorized person name. After that, select appropriate answers for these questions according to your business, and then enter your registration ID below. As the final step, sign here and submit the form. Alibaba will review your documents and verify your tax-exempt status. This usually takes a few hours. You can view the status of your submitted application in the Tax Information section. Once approved, you will see Tax Exemption Verified, and then you can purchase tax-free. The tax will be deducted at checkout. Those are the key steps to getting sales tax removed from your Alibaba wholesale orders. Follow this process closely and you'll be saving big on every order. I hope you've been enjoying these tutorials. We are providing more useful content for free. The best way you can support us is by liking, subscribing, and sharing our videos. I deeply appreciate any support you can offer. If you have any questions, open a thread on the MineX Tech forum. Thank you for watching.